Leading the way in AI.
In this AI-enriched email campaign automation workflow for donor conversion, we'll be covering steps 2 and 4, which is namely generate personalized messages and send email campaigns. Firstly, let's go through the database of the donor profiles, and it has the full names, the emails, the work descriptions, and also the generation segment, which is created through the age of the different donors, and then the past engagements. And over here, you can see the statuses from different statuses such as pending, in progress, draft created, design saved, email sent, and reply received. And over here, you can see a few subject lines and bodies that have been created. Firstly, let's go through step number 2, which is create newsletter content. It gets the pending status profiles, then it updates the status to in progress, and nextly, it uses an LLM with the model ChatGPT 4o to create the subject lines and also the content body. And as you can see within the prompt over here, we have given the full name, the generation segment, and the work titles and the past engagements. And also we have given in detail the prompt and how it should create the subject line as well as the content body, including the formatting and different best practices such as the word count. So let's just go ahead and run this. And as you can see, it's been run sequentially. And currently, if we go to the database, you can see that it's in progress. And now it's in draft status, and the subject line and the body has been updated. And secondly, second pending donor has been now updated. Let's go to the send email campaign, which is the fourth step. And let's just shoot this out and see what happens. And as you can see, the email is being sent over here and it's being updated sequentially. And if you go back to my email send box, you can see that two emails have been sent to James and William. And if you go into James's email, you can see that it has a bit of emojis over here. If you look at the donor profile, James is considered as Generation X with no past engagements. So that's why the system is using emojis to bring more engagement. And as you can see, William's email is more professional and also mentions his generous contributions and thanks him. If you go back to our donor database, it's mentioned that William is from the baby boomer generation and he has sponsored an annual gala. So this shows the robustness and flexibility of our AI-enriched email automation workflow for donor conversion through this AI enrichment.
Leading the way in AI.